The war over the 3 CAG reports is intensifying as the BJP refuses any let-up in its attack on the government. The parliament was adjourned again today with the opposition insisting on the Prime Minister's resignation because of the allegations in the CAG report on coal, now famously called Coalgate. Hello and welcome to We Mean Business. On the show today, we're asking if CAG's reports are sacrosanct and if the CAG is actually overstepping its mandate. Let me introduce our guests on the show today. With me here in the Delhi studio, Mr. Ajay Dua, former Secretary in the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Nalin Kohli, National Executive Member of the BJP, Aditi Phadnis, Political Editor of the Business Standard, also joining us on a link, Keshav Rao, Congress leader, and Pratibha Jain, partner of Nishit Desai Associates. Thank you all for being with us on the show. But first, a quick look at the major developments of the day. The government hit out today. It's now accusing the BJP of being scared of a debate, saying the opposition knows the debate will expose it, so it isn't allowing one. The Prime Minister, meanwhile, has said that he is willing for a discussion, but the BJP says nothing short of his resignation will do. Meanwhile, the Coal Minister earlier today said in a press conference that the Prime Minister should not be blamed and that the state governments had opposed competitive bidding as well. Let's listen in.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के ऊपर फिंगर रेस करने की कोशिश की जाती है। प्रधानमंत्री जी उस समय कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर थे, उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी कि देश की कोल रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करें। उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी कि देश में पावर का जनरेशन बढ़ाएं। उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन को गति दें। उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी कि देश की ग्रोथ को गति दें। और 8+ जो देश की ग्रोथ हुई थी, उनकी इन्हीं डिसीजंस और गतिविधियों का रिजल्ट था। कोल ब्लॉक्स के एलोकेशन में सारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स की कंसेंट थी, लेकिन फिर भी अगर बिडिंग प्रोसेस लागू होता तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी और बढ़ाई जा सकती थी। इसलिए इस आइडिया को हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सप्लोर किया। लेकिन जैसा मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूं, राजस्थान, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल, इन तमाम राज्य सरकारों ने इसका कसकर अपोज किया।
Also, my colleague Rajkumar Sahu caught up with the minister and he said that Congress has no issues into getting into a debate with the opposition, but the parliament should be allowed to function properly.
The CAG report on coal allocation has disrupted the parliament for another day also, and now we are with the coal minister, Mr. Sri Prakash Jaiswal. Sir, what is the government doing to break the logjam with the opposition parties?
गवर्नमेंट को कुछ करना है। गवर्नमेंट पहले दिन से ये अपील कर रही है कि पार्लियामेंट सबसे अच्छा फोरम है किसी भी इशू को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए और अपनी बात को कहने के लिए। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कल सुबह ही ये बात कही कि आप पार्लियामेंट तो चलने दीजिए, आइए अपने इशू को लेकर आप डिबेट कीजिए। कम से कम देश की जनता को ये तो पता लगे कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है। आप तो पार्लियामेंट न चलने देने के लिए कसम खाए हैं, और इसलिए कसम खाए हैं कि आपके इश्यूज में कोई दम नहीं है। आप जानते हैं कि अगर आप डिबेट करेंगे तो कहीं नहीं ठहर पाएंगे।
What gives you that confidence that they will lose the debate in the parliament? Are you saying that they have opposed the bidding process?
अभी मैंने आपसे बहुत सारी बातें कही। बताइए आप हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस को कहीं हिला पाए? क्यों नहीं हिला पाए? क्योंकि सच्चाई है। जब सच्चाई कही जाती है, सच्चाई बयां की जाती है, तो फिर वो इंसान हिल नहीं सकता। और जब झूठ का मुलम्मा चढ़ाया जाता है तो हिलता डुलता रहता है।
And what about those 57 blocks that will be allocated through bidding process? By when can we see those 57 blocks?
प्रोसेस चल रहा है, उम्मीद है कि 2-3 महीने में हो जाएगा।
One last question. You are again saying that you don't agree with the numbers that CAG has actually thrown in the report. So what is the number you would be saying that this is the loss the government has incurred?
मैं CAG की रिपोर्ट से एग्री नहीं करता हूँ। केवल एक लाइन की हमारी टिप्पणी है। CAG का काम है कि जो बुक्स में दिखलाई पड़े उसके आधार पर अपनी रिपोर्ट दे। सरकार का ये काम होता है कि 125 करोड़ लोगों को किस पॉलिसी से फायदा होगा उस पॉलिसी को अडॉप्ट करें।
All right, so the big question is, will the parliament be allowed to function or not? Let me now start this discussion right here by asking Nalin that question. Nalin, possibly asking for the Prime Minister's resignation is something that many believe is not a reasonable demand.
Well, I will not get into the merits or demerits of what many believe, and I think everyone's entitled to their view. But as far as the BJP is concerned, and we've unequivocally said it, if you have even seen earlier in the day, Mr. Jaitley has said that also, we are asking for the Prime Minister's resignation, and there are reasons for it. Primarily, when we talk about debate and discussion, if a parliament is allowed to function under the norms that it was envisaged under the constitution, and if the agencies of the parliament and the different, if you're talking of the PAC, JPC and all, if they function within that, then they would make sense. But the time for debate and discussion has moved off, and we've learnt from the 2G case. And I'll just quickly highlight that. In 2G, first there was complete denial, then there was complete delay.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.